I'm gonna talk about people that I love on TikTok, and I'm gonna put my phone somewhere, but you're gonna see that item, the box of the no, not the box, like the item that came out of the box, but this box is not gonna be stable. So I gotta stand me. What if there's pita in this? What if there's pita in this? This is so cute. I think the Stanley is like paradise. So I love Regina on like TikTok. If you're on TikTok as well, I like Regina because of like her funny content. My room is like so big. There's even a toilet. Like I'm using the box of the Stanley. Like here's the box. Like I'm using the box. So like I love Regina and like yeah. But like there's still a lot more, so I'm gonna say 5. So there's 1 down, we have 4 more left, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Like this is flipping real. Next I love is Eilish on TikTok. Next I love is myself on TikTok. Like next I love is my sister on TikTok. Next I love is, and the last thing that I love on TikTok is guys, this is actually not mine. This is my grandma's, but I love drinking out of my grandma's thing that she got yesterday. But my birthday is in 2 weeks, and my mom is gonna buy me the Tyler Stanley Cup because it's here in South Africa. So this one got from my mom's friend, from my grandma for Mother's Day, and then the other one is mine, but it hasn't been bought yet. And bye.